Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mirror the screen of your REALME GT8 Pro to Smart TV. To do that, you're gonna have to swipe down the quick settings on your smartphone and then hold your finger down on the Wi-Fi option and make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. After that, in the same quick settings menu, we're gonna have to find guest option, which looks like this. If you don't have it here, tap edit at the top of your screen and then tap plus icon and add the guest in feature to your quick settings. Then tap on the guest feature and then allow this feature using your audio recording, location, photos and videos, and audio files. Tap add to continue and then give it all the rest of the permissions and tap agree and continue once again. Turn on Bluetooth and then you'll be able to see the list of available devices. Select your TV right here, tap on it and then select whether you want to guest the entire display of your smartphone or just one application. And then when you're ready to stop mirroring your screen, you just have to tap on the guest icon in your quick settings menu once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.